Welcome aboard the Black Raven.
When you're on the Black Raven, you hear live cannon fire, take part in sword fighting,
On guard!
and even get to play musical instruments while we sing along to sea shanties together. Ahoy! I'm Captain Blackfin Betty from Black Raven Adventures, and we are a must-do experience in St. Augustine. We're the one and only pirate ship located in the St. Augustine City Marina, just south of the historic Bridge of Lions. We have an exhilarating and unique live and interactive pirate ship show. We sail on the very original path the first pirates in Florida did. We have 3 unique experiences: our daily all-ages treasure hunt show featuring a live sea battle, our Scenic Sunset Cruises featuring live music, and the adults-only R-rated Rum Runner Pirate Show. We offer a full liquor bar serving up fun pirate-themed drinks, snacks, and trinkets. We also host private charters for weddings, rehearsal dinners, special corporate events, and birthday parties. If you're inspired by our sailing adventure, another must-do experience I recommend is the Pirate and Treasure Museum. It's an incredible educational museum that features over 800 authentic artifacts celebrating the Golden Age of Piracy. You're invited to join us for an unforgettable experience at Black Raven Adventures, and we hope to sail with you soon. Arr!